for the warm-up, a nice little beginner dance at 16 counts. And usually I don't like to do my own dances. I always do this even in my own classes. I don't teach my dances to my students unless I need a video to be done. So it's because I feel like I have a captive audience. But this is such an unusual little dance. Let me just give you a little backstory. A good friend of mine, Jennifer Jones from Massachusetts, came up with this idea to, she brought together 3 other choreographers. She asked me, she asked Adeline Cheng from Malaysia, and then she asked a young lady named Georgie Mygrant, I believe that's how you say her last name, yes, Mygrant, who lives in Florida. And what she did is she sent us 16 counts. She sent us 4 groups of 4 patterns, like 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, or cha-cha-cha, 1, 2. No, no music involved, nothing like that. She just did 4 patterns, and with numbers. She had 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that. The last one was 5, 6, 7, 8, so that's what I took. And the whole process took like about a half hour. Everybody just came up with a 4-count dance, and we chose, like I said, that was the last 4 counts. And then Jennifer looked for the music afterwards. She picked a song that's been out for a while. In fact, I was a child when it came out, and that's by Dion, called The Wanderer. And it just kind of all meshed together so beautifully. And it's just a little 16-count beginner dance, but it just turned out really well. It was an interesting experiment. So that's what I'm going to do, The Wanderer, by Adeline, Jennifer, Georgie, and myself. And let me show you real quickly. It only has 1 turn, which is my 4-count walk around. So it starts off with your weight on your left, and I'm sorry, weight on your right. So lead with your left foot. We're going to do a rock, recover, coaster step. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was Adeline's step. Then we're going to do walk, walk, mambo, cross. So this is right foot, left foot, side, recover, cross. That was Georgie's step. So putting that together is your first 8 counts. Here comes Adeline, weights on your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now Georgie, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jennifer stepped with 2 shuffles moving forward on an angle. So your left foot, 1 and 2. Your right foot, 3 and 4. And then my step was starting to walk to your left. We're going to do a 3/4 walk around, ending at 3 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start with Adeline. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's Georgie. 7 and 8. Jennifer. And mine. 5, 6, 7. Once more. Rock and coaster. Walk and mambo cross. Shuffles on an angle. Walk to your left. 7 and 8. But nice and easy. No tags, no restarts. What happened when she picked this song, if you're familiar with the song, he talks about he likes this girl and that girl, but when anybody asks him who he likes the best, he tears open his shirt and Rosie's on his chest. Whenever they're doing, he only does that twice, but when we're doing the walking part, my section is when you'll hear Rosie. So it just was, like I say, phenomenally very fun to do, and it just worked out really well. So, okay, so here we go with The Wanderer by Dion. I know the song came out in the 60s. I was born in 1950, so you can do the math. I know the other, I was saying to Adeline last night, she wasn't even born when this song came out.